been shot at, you've been broken down.
यहाँ पे सिग्नल दे रहे हैं, अभी जा रहे ऊपर हम लोग।
Holiday time. Early in the morning, shivering in the foggy dawn, you find yourself waiting on the railway platform, anxiously looking at the clock, waiting friends. And as you look around, there unfolds the busy, busy world of trains. There's so much to see and hear. Overcrowded metros, colourful outstation trains, incomprehensible railway announcements.
This train is just 32 times smaller than the standard size. Kindly refrain from crossing the tracks, as this could prove injurious to the well-being of the train. Please note that the engine driver has put out his hand and is waving to you all.
But wait a moment, these roads, mountains, buildings, trains, they're all so small that we can neither walk on them nor sit in them. Bit of a problem here. The only solution is to become as small as they are. How? Oh, here's an idea. Remember the story of Aladdin's magic lamp and the genie inside? Ha! Exactly. Near the station, customers happily munching on sandwiches or cakes. Efficient waitresses attending the tables. Just outside the restaurant, on the footpath, we see two women walking their dogs. What a contrast! Look carefully. One is holding a dachshund, a very small dog, while the other leads a Great Dane. In the theatre, you drive your car right inside and park. Then you sit back and enjoy the film while munching on popcorn, peanuts, or sipping a cola. How convenient. Railways can climb steep mountainsides, but while doing so, the seats in the carriage will tilt at a steep angle, and you could fall down from your seat. To prevent this from happening, some railways are built in diamond shape, with the seats parallel to the slope. Like that, a hanging monorail traveling quietly above, and a bus driving smoothly below. Less pollution in the air, more space utilized. At Pune, in Germany, a monorail like this one has been functioning since 1901. Lions and tigers have just come out, and the ringmaster is making them perform tricks. Hey, what's that? Smoke. A building has caught fire. Flames. Somebody call the fire brigade fast. Oh look, a fire engine is already on the way. Thank goodness. Oh, somebody inside the building has already put out the fire. So now, the fire engine can go back. Just look at this fire engine. Simple. Sure. You know, this is the second smallest working train in the world. The distance between its tracks is less than 1 centimeter. In fact, only 9 millimeters. There's another kind of railway that ferries people from the bottom of a mountain right up to the top. In fact, you all know it. You've seen it many times in films. Care to guess the name? It's called a ropeway or cable car. Behind this mountain, one can see a beach and steep valleys. We also see a fort. Below the bridge are some fountains. A fresh coat of paint has been applied to the new bridge. We see hardy trekkers on the mountain slopes, and behinds too. There's a sculptor carving out a shape in the rocks. Far beyond, one sees soldiers practicing rappelling. Behind them is a huge lake. One can actually see ducks and ducklings in the water. Fabulous!
Wow, how real everything looks. It's beautiful.
It's getting late in the evening now. The lights are coming on, one by one. Twinkling like stars, they look so nice. Like Kupoli seen from Golghat, or Los Angeles seen as your plane lands at night. This city too is lit up pretty. But some of the windows in the heart of the town are not lighted, because that's the business area. Busy during daytime, quiet at night. Tired after working all day. But be it morning or night, the world of the railways is always moving, and so are the wheels of trains. Look there. Departing from the station is the third fastest train in the world, the ICE railway in Germany. Its nose is shaped like an aeroplane to cut through the air. It can travel up to 450 kilometers an hour. Which means that the journey from Pune to Mumbai will take only 55 minutes. But that's some speed. Okay, at first place is the TGV rail in France. And the second place, of course, goes to the bullet train in Japan. The line suddenly went out. But my goodness, just look up. What a beautiful night sky. There's the Great Bear, and the Pole Star, and the small moon. You know that on April 16, 1853, the first train ran in India, from Boribanda to Thane. And on that day, this is exactly how the constellations looked. It was the 9th day of the moon. Hey, little master, it's night time now, and I must leave you to return to my land. Snuggle in and sleep.
Oh, Genie, wait. Are you gonna leave me like this? So small? Come on, make me big.
I almost forgot. I have to get you back to your normal. 1, 2, and poof.
Well, that was quite a show, wasn't it? Thank you, folks. Thank you for visiting our museum.